My name is Johanna, and I'm a co-founder and the CTO at Vibraint. I have a background in biomedical physics from Technical University of Munich. So I have studied my bachelor's and master's in Germany, and I did my PhD in computer science in Denmark. After that, I then moved to industry and have been working with image analysis for a long time. I think it's correct to say that we try to make complex systems easier to understand and easier to explore. Our software platform that we are developing, you can say it actually consists of two parts. One of the parts is about analysis. So we do create AI-assisted, state-of-the-art algorithms to extract meaningful information from these brain images that we acquire. That's one of the tracks. And the other part of the platform is the brain viewer that we are developing for putting these analyzed images, analyzed data sets into a 3D space where scientists can explore them together with statistical analysis data sets. I think, at least for now, one of my biggest wishes is actually that analysis tools are not only pipelines that live in my computer or some other analyst's computer, but I really dream about this, to have a team of analysts, team of scientists who then make these tools available online for everyone, for every biologist, and to just empower people to do the greatest science.